What's going on, everyone? We have a filing out of the OCC, the Options Clearing Corporation. This is a notice of filing and immediate effectiveness of proposed rule change concerning the implementation of changes to settlement timing previously approved in file number SR OCC 2022-004. So this is in relation to an approval that we got a while back, a couple weeks ago, on 004. And basically, this proposed change here would amend the bylaws and rules to provide for delayed implementation of the proposed changes approved by the Commission in file number OCC 004. The proposed changes to OCC's bylaws and rules are attached to file number OCC 2022-007 as Exhibit 5A and Exhibit 5B respectively. Proposed changes to the clearing fund methodology policy and liquidity risk management framework are attached to file number OCC 007 as confidential Exhibit 5C and confidential Exhibit 5D respectively. Now, basically what all this means, background on this, on May 19th, 2022, the Commission approved a proposed rule change by OCC to change the time frame for collecting margin and clearing fund deficits, as well as increasing in the clearing fund cash requirement. As OCC announced in Information Memo 50390, OCC currently plans to implement the changes to the time for collecting margin on the morning of Monday, June 27th, 2022, and changes to the collection of clearing fund deficit resulting from the monthly resizing of the clearing fund on the morning of Friday, July 1st, 2022. Basically, OCC is proposing to amend its bylaws and rules to retain the marked changes from file number 004 in its bylaws until after the settlement time on the business day before the implementation date, which OCC will announce no less than 2 weeks prior to that date. So the implementation date will be no earlier than June 27th. And for clarity, they're also proposing a note to be placed before the affected bylaw and rules provisions disclosing that the marked changes are not effective until that time. So basically, there's going to be collecting margin deficits on June 27th, no earlier than June 27th. And then we have July 1st as well. So there you have it. OCC 007. It's approved. There's going to delay implementation. So